Hello friends, welcome to Tech ENLIGHT. Today in this video, we are going to learn about how to edit an already uploaded video on YouTube. Actually, I was searching for this topic from past 15 days, but I haven't found any exact video which gives a solution for my problem. So after a research of 15 to 20 days, I have found a solution for this yesterday. So I thought that like me some more people may be searching for this problem, so that's why I am making this video. Please stay till end of the video so that you will gain complete knowledge about video editing on YouTube. I have logged into my YouTube account and entered into YouTube Studio. I think you all know how to enter into YouTube Studio. Here in right side corner our logo will appear. If you click on that, here in the drop down you will find YouTube Studio. If you click on that, you will find this interface. Now we will see how to edit a video from the ending. If you want to edit any video from the ending, that means the end part if you want to delete, then if you have applied any end screen on the video, you have to delete that first. So I will show how to delete the end screen now. So first of all, let us select the video, click on this videos button. Here you will see all the videos that we have uploaded on our YouTube. Then you have to select the video. I am going to select this latest video. Here you will find this pencil button. You have to click on this. Then the details will appear here. Now in the right side panel, if you scroll down, then you will get end screen option here. Click on that. Here we will find all the end screens that we have uploaded on our video. So by selecting all those, we have to delete. Click on any video, simply click delete key on keyboard. So by selecting all these, we have to click on delete. So after deleting, you have to click on save. The changes will be saved and we will come back to the details page. Now we have successfully deleted our end page. Now we'll come into the task. Here in left side panel we'll find editor. Main editing part is here only. We have to click the editor. Now comes to the main editing part. If you click on this editor, we will find an interface like our normal video editor. See, our video is displaying here on the editing bar, and now let me explain what is the problem in this video. Here actually the video is about 9 minutes 22 seconds or 23 seconds, but here if you see, it is showing 13 minutes and some seconds. That means after 9 minutes and 23 seconds, the blank space captured. Here if you observe, about 3 to 4 minutes only blank space is showing there. So we have to remove this one. And to remove that, trim option is here. We have to click this trim option. Okay. If you come to the editing bar, then you will find a white line is moving along with our mouse. From where you want to cut the video, we have to click there. Then here in the bottom we will find split option. We have to click on the split. Then a blue color line appears like this. Okay, click on that, and by moving that we can delete the part of the video. I am just moving this to the right side as we want to delete the right side part. So I am moving this till end. So here this part is deselected. I want to remove this part. All the right side part will be deleted and only this part will remain here to here. We can see the preview and then click on save. Here it is showing for saving this, it may take several hours. So again click on save. Then it may take a half an hour to 1 hour to save this project. Like this we can trim our video from the ending or from the beginning. If you want to delete any part from the beginning, no need to delete end screen. The remaining part you can follow as it is. See, this is the video that we have edited previously. Previously it was 13 minutes some seconds, now it is showing 9 minutes 23 seconds. So updates have been done. Okay, now we will find another video to see how to edit any other part of the video. I am selecting this video, clicking on this pencil symbol, then directly click on editor. Now no need to delete the end screen because we are not trimming in the end, so end screen will not give you any problem. See here, you can play the video here, and first of all identify from which part to which part of the video you want to delete. So I have identified that here in this video from 18th second to 24th second I want to delete. So first of all click on trim. Then after clicking on trim, you will get this kind of blue color line. So we have to move our cursor. So along with our mouse cursor, a white color line will appear. So drag that white color line to starting part of the unnecessary part which you want to cut. So we can click on that. Otherwise we can directly select the time here. Here 0 minutes and 18 seconds. We have entered the time, and here's enter. See here, blue color line appeared. See, after that click on split. If we put cursor on that blue color line, then we will find a double arrow there. We have to click on that and we can simply drag that line till the part which we want to delete. By moving on the editor we can see the time there till 24 seconds. I am moving this. So if you think this is enough, then we can just click on preview. We can observe the part we have selected is deactivated here. It is showing like we have cut that part. Okay, if we play here and if you want to edit more, then again click on edit trim, and then we can adjust those blue lines. When you think this is done, then just click on preview and you can see the preview over there. Click on play and watch the preview. If you think this is done, then we can just click on save, then again save. So the update's going to be saved. Okay, after some time you can check it. Okay, in this way we can edit our video from the beginning or from the end or any part of the video in the middle. Okay, I hope this video is useful to you, and if you find this is useful, please click on the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos and share this information to your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Jai Hind.